In a tiny, tiny southern Swedish country town, 2 acres of field and a gas station. Riding on my moped, looking for fun, staring into the blood-red sun. Oh, the country road is a boulevard with neon lights and night open bars. In my jacket pack of playing cards, just jacks, jokers and the queen of hearts. My heart is beating, beating like Ringo as I pull into the drop-in bingo. People in the country wanna look like the people in the city, when the people in the city are just light and spready. I want the people in the country to have flannel shirts and saggy jeans all covered in dirt. I want the people in the country to be open and kind, but most times I met those with an narrow mind, with the big black dog to bite you behind if they ever find out you're not one of their kind. All these thoughts as I open up the Zingo, Friday night at the drop-in bingo. This is what they do out here for fun. They play bingo and let their engines run. Tonight's jackpot is a pig, hey, that's criminal. G42, I'm going diagonal. I'm gonna gather up a few of my friends, as many fits into an army tent. Just bring your savings and a bottle of wine. Friday night's reversal of time. This little Southwest village shouldn't cost that much, maybe a handful of silver or $100. We could have wild, wild parties in that big old lodge, and windmills perfect for movies and such. We could fake our deaths to get insurance money and take on hippie names. I'd be Snowfish, you'd be Sunny. We could start a little farm with little white bunnies, just cause watching them copulate is very funny. There's a cow and an ostrich just waiting for you, a glass of apple cider just waiting for you, the smell of 1952 just waiting for you, and all I'm doing here is just waiting for you. A daydream, I'm caught up in limbo.